Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is cybersecurity and its impact on the supply chain. 28% of mid-market manufacturers were impacted by a data breach last year. That's up from 20% the year prior. In fact, we've had multiple clients with a data breach and/or cyber incident in the last few years. In the news, UNFI, that supplies Whole Foods, had a cyber attack, and Whole Foods was forced to take their systems offline, and they ended up experiencing shortages. In another news story, the Chinese-owned cranes, or Chinese-produced cranes, they embedded a modem in the crane that was found that could result in a cyber attack. So there's a vulnerability that was highlighted. So what should we be doing? We should be thinking about knowing who our suppliers are and protecting our end-to-end supply chain. We have got to be aware of all of the places that we're connected in the devices and make sure that we have a plan in place, that we've put protocols in place, we've put training in place, and we've secured our operational technologies and isolated them from our information systems.